Shitayo hadian ka jingwan bu ya ka khyrdop lum khajna bairung da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAC Khanduli West Dainty Hills District kinoyalam jong ki seng bahalang bapher kilayo lat ban penpau ya ka jingpyrshah jong ki halor ka te ka khyrdop ha ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Karbi Anglong District ka Krishna Bora hasnong Khanduli ha ka siningkong menta katayo. Kinoyalam seng bahalang kibakan thup ya u General Secretary jong ka Jaintia Students Union utay borlang suchen bat kiway kilapan pau ha ka DC baka teka jaka bawan bu khyrdop ka KAC kandang ha pura hapo uput usam jong kasnong Khanduli katba de penbet sam daki sorkar jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Shu utay bor ula dawai ka DC ban wengno ikipulit Assam balabu ban apahara hakasnong Khanduli la shitayo tam hakani ka jaka. Ula benrap bala dala weng ka khyrdop lum khajna bairung jong ka KAC ka jingsuk kalawan phai hi dala di syakate ka than. Nakaliang jong ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Karbi Anglong kalakular banyakren bat pensngau sya ka KAC halor ka jingpyrshah jong ki seng bahalang bat ka dorbasnong Khanduli halor ka jingwan bu khyrdop ha kasnong Khanduli bat ka jingdawa jong ki baki deban wengno ya ka te ka khyrdop mardor. Ka Deputy Commissioner kalapan syairu ba ka jingbu ikipulit Assam ha ka te jaka kalong ka basipor na ka benta ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan ha ka than. Kala benrap ban sa wengno ikipulit Assam anda ka syongsuk syongsan kalawan phai. Ladan ringkat USP ka West Karbi Anglong nalor kiwede ki he pulit hakapor ba ki seng bahalang kia kendu bat ka Deputy Commissioner.
We just had a meeting along with the public. So I would say we have came up with a resolution that we wanted peace in this place.
Yeah, definitely.
So that there will be a trade
from
and
both sides, from your side also, from this side also.
But we want to make sure that there will be no permanent structure will be erected in this place.
Yeah.
Along with the signboard. They have removed the signboard.
We have removed the signboard. No?
So we wanted from your side
Yeah.
that we are actually sending a very strong message to the Karbi Anglong Council that this place does not belong to.
No, that is a different issue.
No, the issues, but we understand. But once you provoke with signboards, with erection of taxes and all that,
This already has been
we have come.
No, it's okay. Proceed. Yes.
So we just had a resolution. Okay, we just had a resolution. So we wanted peace in this area. Peace will prevail. And from our side, we have came up with resolution is that there will be no permanent structure erected by the Assam. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council or any tax will be put up in this place. So until unless that is not put up,
we have already conveyed the message to them. Like till there's your state committee is there, our state committee is there. They will be meeting very soon, and before that, nothing should be erected over here. Okay.
So anything on written in black and white, so that we have to make. Otherwise, we don't want people from your side and our side to have any criminal conflict.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have saw this, but the thing.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
See, madam.
You have to make your people understand.
So,
They
madam.
are in peace actually.
For the last 2-3 years, this area is very peaceful. Okay, these are two communities, Assam, Karbi and Prang. We are helping each other in the various activities. But suddenly they erect this tax gate here. Because of this only, it create a problem. So just now we have taken a resolution. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they should remove immediately this tax gate and as well that police they stayed here. Otherwise,
Means our this post will be here for temporarily.
No, madam.
See, this is the proof. I just got this from some members. See this Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, blah blah and so on. It's in Khanduli. So tax is still. Wait for the regional committee, so-called the interstate boundary redemarcation, all that committee set up first. Let the head,
they should decide.
The high-level committee sit first, and let peace prevail in this area and no permanent structure, and let these people also live in peace to their own area. Okay.
As of now, we request.
We convey your
No, since you are the head of the district, you can take a decision.
We will, but you can also because in that meeting, I think 2-3 days back that we didn't join, the council people are also there. So we have also requested them, somebody have to take a step forward. Isn't it? So from your side, whatever say concerns and issues you have, you can just convey to them. Just convey. Right.
So any assurance from your side, madam?
I am here to look after the administration.
So let's have a deadline so that peace will prevail.
I cannot give you the deadline right now because I have to discuss with the minister.
Situli, ma'am, this gate.
We will convey everything. That is been conveyed also. Already they know.
Since you are in the administration,
When they bring commercial type, this and that also,
see
they
the
have to
main
pay the fees
provocation
here.
is Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. What happened in Mukro and what's happening now? Time and again, this is happening. Okay, so you are the mediator who could bring peace, who maintain law and order in the both district of the state. So you should take the masses message, the public message. The people of Meghalaya do not want any temporary check gate here. We don't want any police of Assam or Karbi Anglong security out here. Then peace shall prevail because you are both human. We're not alien, right? You see, madam. Karbi are not alien. They're tribal also. They're not non-tribal. We have a tribal relationship with them as well. So they have, we are staying together in Shillong. We've been living together. But when it comes to border issues, who instigate? It's always the administration, not your administration. I would say the council of Karbi Anglong. So this is the problem that happened again and again because why they know this. The regional committee of both the states are actually coming to the phase 2 to settle up the boundary issue. And 1951 of notification of the so-called governor of Assam, back then we were in Assam, so that has to be quashed because why block 1, block 2 belongs to Meghalaya. So that's on the high level. I'm just telling you so you to know some knowledge about what's happening around both states.
I know this 1951 documentation. I know all about.
We'll have to speak about it. So that's on the high level side.
The main thing is, ma'am, to remove the
As long that is there,
from here
remove the gate
and the rest
police,
we leave it
there's no problem.
in the
So
government.
what our people want is remove this, both policemen and the
See, this is temporary.
The gate.
No, this one also.
signboard has been erected.
No, this one also gate.
No, actually, madam.
Earlier we can pass through
Madam?
easily from here.
Gate mean
No, even this morning they collect money.
let's see whether gate is there or not there. Since you have the policemen here, they can collect.
That's all.
Otherwise, gate is not gate mean you have to build a house. Mean you can collect money by standing here, so you can collect money. So the things that we want from our side that please send all this to your personal as before back, and then from our side to we are not here, but the people let the people live as usual. That's the only thing.
That's all.
What problem come because you erect the gate here and you put this personal here, then problem come. Otherwise, remove all this personal your police and remove all the gate, then there is no problem. That from our side we will assure you.
You are the head of district. So and from your side, and I'm giving you a suggestion and advice from everyone here. We're giving a very strong message to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. As long as border dispute is not being settled, so kindly clear out this place. That is from our side.
And the head of the wisdom of the government to settle this border issue.
Okay. Both them must.
Please,
Let us.
Madam, we make sure by this week, please.
Hashwa baki seng bhalang bat kinoyalam shnong ka Khanduli kin poisha ka tega jaka balabo ya ka khyrdop jong ka KAC kaladan ka jiapin ibor hapdeng ki magistrate bat ki he pulit bat ki seng bhalang hajan ka BOP Meghalaya.
Biang, pintikin aja gitu. Di berkenan saya kata, ayo curah tinggi bagi kita ban keria. Ingin nom lai ra. Takadau. Dong salam ki ya kata kita
Kiseng bhalang kilakwa banlitter bungut syakatega jaka Henry ki magistrate bat ki he pulit bat ki pulit kumju ki CRPF kilala bantelakam ya kiseng bhalang bala syatang arphongut banlit syakatega jaka bala bu khyrdop. Haswa ketika jinglit tur sya ketika jaka belabu khyrdop daka KAC kaladan kejelang pajba bela penya de wahesh nong uyo shidanong spung hamadan football Khanduli. Kinong keren kibakan thup ya utrai bor lang suchen u presiden ke HANM uba El Kharbani, presiden ke SU West Jainti Hills ulait parsing krem, u chairman ke HBDRF u chandame sungo nalor ki weide kila penram ya ka KAC kabalawan bo ya ka khyrdop ha Khanduli bat kila dawa ya ka KAC ban weng no mardor ya ka.
Naliang ki kerun sing balang beper ki balang po beri nyal trap mentasi lawan po Khanduli. Ban layo ban syong ke jingalang rangkat bagi ngilam snong jong Khanduli bagi dia orang ba ini ka thang snong ke barang kaput bagi ni ka snong bagi ni ka jela Assam dalam longga bagi jan bagi distrik Karbi Anglong te kumajian adu ki tio bladap pi ba ke jingle bor ka san por skopor hapok ni kaput ki jongi kalap bitar yau bun balang kam tami nong sosok Khanduli bat kilami daki ka bor snong ban put ya katai ka kalau belum ke signboard, jangan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kepada ke entry tax gate jangan ke council. Henry ni sutu syai, katai ke gate ke bubuh hantai kedai ke encroachment, ini dalam belum ke jing kentur put ke Karbi Anglong support ke distrik West Zentia dan support Karbi dan support ke state, support ke jela ke jongi. Bat pihak sutu syai bakal ajang ke jing ya sutu syai bakal kedai ke jing temu ke jongki nama ba sutu ba kerajaan gini ka jing put halor happening ke jela Assam ke jela Meghalaya te ke jingle ke jongki ke dong kolong provok yang nong namar ba kadai hapo put usam dong snong Khanduli te mene la yom kremar khmat bagi disi bagi ke noilam sing balang boper nanta bagi noilam snong bat ila pha ka kubur ke batenge ya Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bagi dem provok ne penset ke por de ban up hadu ba kini ki arli ki menteri rangba jong jela Assam bat Meghalaya jing bagi penbat ya put usam tadi ke puan penbaik.
Jadi cemu gedisi yang ki Karbi Anglong kam ju SP yang ki dia kelami ki le kular ki wa laduk betu wa weng nak ki kata ga taxkit kam ju le weng ki polis ku mitai khnang wa yo laj kawan te ini yang ini songkhan le klamchi wa ki pai ba laduk weng ki te ga taxkit lu betu ini dia khai paten bai bai kam ju man ye metu ye pai chwai mesti komon man ko bo ki klam ni man kam gatu dan man kan kam jing kelami penyu wa khi mà tên lại bài tí lại luôn là ngoại klem em cái gì nhau thì cần tôi lại cái Karbi Anglong lại gì cái quan gì sai ý lại gì loại chỉ là đã cái tax kit em đi có hiện tại cam dụ cái em đi cái việc gì khám bài Karbi cam dụ gì cái đó cái gì klem này yang cái đó vào trong khăn